This morning we have something very briefly we want to do. One of the trust of our ministry is about practical care for people. So the healings ministry, healings, deliverances, miracles, signs and wonders does not just end with spiritual healing, but as much as possible the physical things we can do. You just saw what happened in the Philippines just now. Every Sunday here there's raw food distribution for those who are unable to cater for themselves. Also societal things that we have done. In Area 1, when we got there was no road. We brought in the road, the dual carriageway into where the Area 1 church is. We brought there was no water supply. We brought water from the water board. We got 2 transformers, one supplied the church and one supplied the community in that area. That is the kind of thing we have done consistently. You want to give the Lord the praise, give the Lord the praise. I think we gave 2 vehicles to police there, right? One and then a second one, the Dunamis police, for the assignment that they are doing. We have done that, transformers here and there. And right here, this morning, the road safety call on this airport road, I believe is the busiest road in this place, from the airport all the way, in fact, all the way from the airport all the way from City Gate. The last person who was the commander in this area, when he came to collaborate with us on how to make life easy for everyone here, and then we discussed, and they made known that certain things that they will be needing if we can assist. And one of the things mentioned was a post for them on the road there, which we did. And then one of the things they also mentioned was a vehicle, a patrol vehicle that can assist them on the road. When the new person came, he reminded us about that. And so this morning we are doing the presentation. Okay, so that is built right there. This morning we are doing the presentation of the vehicle that we have made available for them, knowing fully well that their job involves the preservation of life, ensuring that both vehicular and human safety is guaranteed. We are partnering with them to ensure that that is carried out. So we have the vehicle presentation this morning. Can you show us now the vehicle? In addition to that, we are doing side by side a fire service presentation as well, which was there before, but we are now officially presenting it as also a service, the fire truck, and our firemen are also on ground trained, who will also answer any duty call on the airport road. Vehicle on fire, a house or is something on fire, all of that. So that is the road safety truck, vehicle. All right, let us proceed. Now, side by side with it is the fire truck. The fire people did a demonstration of what they will do. Do we have a 1-minute clip of, yes. They are going to call themselves that there is an urgency somewhere. Move, move, move. What's stopping there? This is demonstration they are doing. You need more water pressure, man. They are now demonstrating what will happen in a skyscraper or something like that. All right. So that is that. I hope the representatives of the fire service are also here. But beyond that, so these two are available for the use, the road safety, and of course, at times road safety will need a fire to assist them, and so that is available. So we'll invite the road safety. The assistant corps marshal is here with the sector commander, and then one of them come forward. Do we have the So we give you this and we release both the document and the key to you. We ask that it will be a blessing to you in saving lives and discharging your duty effectively. Thank you. Want to respond?
Church, we give you all the glory. We thank you for what you are doing for us, for what you are doing for humanity, for what you are doing for the safety of people on the road. Today is a wonderful day. We are here to appreciate, on behalf of the Corps Marshal, Federal Road Safety Corps, Madam Shehu Mohammed MNI. He has sent me to come and receive this donation of a patrol vehicle on behalf of the Corps. We bring good news to you, sir. Our prayer is that the good Lord will continue to strengthen you in the work you are doing. You are not just touching the lives of people spiritually, but this is a healing also that you are giving to those who make use of the road. We promise you to make good use of this vehicle, and this vehicle will serve the larger community of Nigerians who ply this road, the airport road. We cannot remove it from this environment. It will serve you and serve the community here. Thank you very much, sir, and God bless you. However, today is not a speech-making day, but we want in our own little way to show gratitude. Our pastor, senior pastor here, Pastor Paul Enenche, what you are doing for the Nigerian public and the entire world is unequal, is unparalleled. You are an ambassador of faith. You are an ambassador of safety. You have done so much, even for our men of the Federal Road Safety Corps, to ensure that the road is safe, that people commute safely on our roads. And the Corps Marshal, Madam Shehu Mohammed MNI, has graciously approved that we adorn you with the highest honor of an honorary special marshal of the Federal Road Safety Corps. And because we know and we follow the biblical injunction that what God has joined together, man must not divide. In the same vein, he has also approved that we invest money as a special marshal as well. And having said this This honor comes with a lot of responsibilities. Sir, we are only giving you a label for more work. For more work. And I know that the good Lord will strengthen you in doing that. And as followers, as parishioners, our senior pastor has become an advocate of safety. It is expected that all of us in this hall and those who are not here, who are seeing us from the viewing centers, must also be road safety ambassadors. Meaning that we must obey the rules of the road and make sure that we don't speed. We have crashes on the rise, and we have identified two major things that cause this crash. One is speed, and the second is the use of phone while driving. So, going forward from here, I expect that all of us here, going back or in all our engagements, should ensure we obey the speed limit. And the use of phone is not a status symbol. But anything can happen. Crash takes just a second. And before you can gather yourself together, since you are using the other hand to make phone calls, it may be too late. And God did not create that you die or perish like chicken on the road. Therefore, obey the speed limit and avoid the use of phone while driving. Thank you very much.
Give the Lord a praise.
Jesus, we thank you, we thank you, we thank you so much. Thank you so much, thank you. Aya, thank you. Dupa, Oluwa, Oluwa, Oluwa. Oluwa, Motuba, 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 Motuba. Eva, Olu, Motuba, Motuba, Motuba. The thing Jesus they do, they sweet my body like sugar. It make. The thing Jesus they do, like sugar. It make me they wonder. The thing Jesus they do, they sweet my body like sugar.